In this short video, I will show you how this solar Christmas light with only 2 wires works. I've been using these for over a year, and most of the lights don't work anymore. This version uses only 2 wires, while providing more than 2 blinking modes. It has 100 LED lights. 50 of them are connected with positive to positive and negative to negative. The other 50 LEDs have their positive connected to negative and negative connected to positive. In short, the control board can change the polarity quickly or slowly, depending on the mode that is being used. That's why when you look at the multimeter, you can see the voltage going from positive to negative. I plan to take these out and put in some fairy LED lights I have, but that will be for a separate video. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys again in the next video. Peace.